Alright, well, we are on the deck of a different boat. This is a Choi Lee from the late 70s, we think. It doesn't have a name on it. But right here is our boat. We are next door. And this guy is going to do something very interesting on this boat. He's going to get this engine out of here. Now, you can see the hole. Here, the companionway. It's decent. But let's go in and let's see what we got to get out of here. So, this is a diesel engine here in the floor. I'm going to guess that this is a Perkins of some sort. And I'm going to guess we're up on 1,000 pounds with this bad boy. And it has to go up and through that hole. And then once it gets up there, then we can grab it with the crane. So this guy is going to build an A-frame out of steel inside of here that's braced against the sides of the boat, and then a gantry across the ceiling here to another A-frame that's braced right there, and maybe another bracing in here and across. And then he's going to slide it, scoot it, or fly it over this way, and then it's got to go sideways. Now, this space here, I mean, yeah. So he's going to get it up right here, and then he's going to take a bunch of crap off of it, and then try to move it this way. And I am a resourceful individual, and this seems quite challenging. Quite challenging. So we'll try to catch up with him as he gets into this. Alright, well, we have some progress. You can see this is weighted to here, and it's a little snug, but we can make it in. And we have Ryker in here that is going to be removing this engine, and we've got this like gantry type thing going on.
Just shoehorn her on out of here.
Oh yeah, we are gonna need one. All right, well, we'll see the next
Getting ready
step.
for game day tomorrow.
Game day tomorrow.
Be a good day.
Right on. there she sits. 1,100-pound elephant to a very fragile needle.
Beauty. Up for sale. Good deal.
Yeah, discount.